First sight of the giant. After years in deep space, Saturn appears as a tiny golden star that gradually grows into an enormous world. The rings become visible, stretching hundreds of thousands of kilometers across space. The crew is overwhelmed by the sight. They realize no image from Earth ever captured Saturn's true scale or beauty. Purpose: build anticipation and emphasize the breathtaking first encounter. The spacecraft carefully navigates a gap between Saturn's ring particles. Ice crystals sparkle like billions of diamonds in sunlight. Sensors detect ancient chunks of ice that have orbited Saturn for millions of years. Every second feels magical and dangerous, as even small fragments could damage the ship. Purpose: showcase the rings as one of the universe's most beautiful natural structures. The accident. A sudden collision with an unseen piece of debris damages the ship. Thrusters fail, and the spacecraft begins an uncontrolled descent towards Saturn. Emergency systems activate, but gravity pulls the vessel deeper. The crew faces the terrifying possibility that they may never return home. Purpose: introduce the central conflict and raise the stakes. 5. Falling into Saturn. The spacecraft enters Saturn's upper atmosphere. Thin golden clouds rush past the windows. Lightning storms, thousands of kilometers wide, illuminate the darkness. Winds reach incredible speeds, tossing the damaged ship. Pressure steadily increases as the crew descends deeper into the gas giant. Purpose: explore Saturn's atmosphere with scientifically grounded drama. The hidden beauty. Despite the danger, the crew witnesses extraordinary phenomena: towering cloud bands, massive hurricanes, brilliant auroras near the poles, layers of colored gases glowing in sunlight. The narrator reflects that beauty often exists alongside immense power and danger. Purpose: reveals Saturn's inner magnificence beyond its famous rings. The final transmission. The ship is crushed as pressure becomes overwhelming. Before communication is lost, the crew sends one final message to Earth. They describe Saturn not as a place of death, but as one of indescribable beauty. Their discoveries transform humanity's understanding of the planet. Purpose: deliver the emotional climax and celebrate exploration despite sacrifice. Legacy among the stars. Years later, future missions build upon the crew's discoveries. Schools teach the story of the Aurora mission as a symbol of courage and curiosity. The narrator's final recorded words inspired generations. Some worlds are too beautiful to possess. They exist simply to remind us how extraordinary the universe truly is. Purpose: end with hope, inspiration, and a lasting legacy. In the late 22nd century, humanity launches its first crewed mission to Saturn. The spacecraft Aurora carries scientists, engineers, and explorers on a 7-year voyage. The narrator dreams of seeing Saturn's rings with their own eyes instead of through telescopes. The crew knows the mission is dangerous, but the chance to witness one of the solar system's greatest wonders outweighs the risks. Purpose: introduce the mission, the crew, and the emotional motivation behind exploring Saturn.